Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can view emergency contacts on iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write comments at the end of this video. So let us get started with you. And let's say if there's some kind of emergency, you need to call a person to call emergency services. But let's say you don't know how to unlock the other person's phone. What can you do then? Well, first, you'll need to wake up your iPhone by pressing the screen, or you can press the power button and then swipe it from the bottom to the top paw. So you get to its passcode. Next, tap in the bottom left corner. Then go to emergency calls. Also in the lower left-hand corner to medical ID. Here you'll be able to see information about the person, like their name, maybe their year of birth, some additional information. And then further down here at the bottom here would be emergency contacts. This is where the person must have previously kept some contacts that you can call when there's an emergency. And if you click on a contact here, let's say it says mom or dad, or husband or kids or ambulance, and so on. Then wherever you call, you can do it without unlocking the phone, because in those emergency situations you can do it. And in this way, friends, you can easily see emergency contacts on your phone if you have set them beforehand. Friends, this is the way you will be able to view emergency contacts on iPhone very easily and quickly. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please write your comments, put likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.